Let's start with example 1. The ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7, and the ratio of their expenditures is 4:3. If each of them manages to save 2000 rupees per month, find their monthly incomes. Let us see the solution. Let us represent the income by X and expenditure by Y. Given that the ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7. Now we can denote the incomes of the two persons by 9x rupees and 7x rupees respectively. Given that the ratio of their expenditures is 4:3. So we can denote their expenditures by 4y rupees and 3y rupees respectively. Given that each one of them manages to save 2000 rupees per month, then the equations formed in the situation are given by 9x minus 4y equals 2000, make it as equation 1. 7x minus 3y equals 2000, make it as equation 2. Step 1. Observe that in equation 1 the coefficient of y is 4 and in equation 2, the coefficient of y is 3. In order to eliminate the variable y from these equations, we multiply the equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4 so that the coefficients of y value will be same in the above two equations. Then we get equation 1, that is, 9x minus 4y equals 2000 becomes 3 into 9x minus 4y equals 2000. This implies that 27x minus 12y equals 6000, make it as equation 3. Equation 2, that is, 7x minus 3y equals 2000 becomes 4 into 7x minus 3y equals 2000. This implies 28x minus 12y equals 8000. Make it as equation 4. Step 2. Subtract equation 3 from equation 4 to eliminate y, because coefficients of y are same. So, we get 28x minus 27x minus 12y minus 12y equals 8000 minus 6000. This implies that x equals 2000. Step 3. Now substitute x equals 2000 in equation 1. That is, 9x minus 4y equals 2000. We get 9 into 2000 minus 4y equals 2000. This implies that 18,000 minus 4y equals 2000. This implies that 18,000 minus 2000 equals 4y. This implies that 4y equals 16,000. This implies that y equals 4000. So, the solution of the equations are x equals 2000 and y equals 4000. The monthly incomes of the two persons are 9x and 7x, that is, 9x equals 9 into 2000 equals 18,000, and 7x equals 7 into 2000 equals 14,000. Therefore, the monthly incomes of the two persons are 18,000 rupees and 14,000 rupees, respectively. Now let's calculate their expenditures. The monthly expenditures of the two persons are 4y and 3y, that is, 4y equals 4 into 4000 equals 16,000, and 3y equals 3 into 4000 equals 12,000. Therefore, the monthly expenditures of the two persons are 16,000 rupees and 12,000 rupees respectively. Step 4. We can verify equation 1. That is, 9x minus 4y equals 2000, and equation 2. That is, 7x minus 3y equals 2000, by substituting the values of x and y. The values of x and y we got are x equals 2000, and y equals 4000. Let's take equation 1. That is, 9x minus 4y equals 2000. We now substitute x equals 2000 and y equals 4000 in the above equation. We get 9 into 2000 minus 4 into 4000 equals 2000. This implies that 18,000 minus 16,000 equals 2000. This implies that 2000 equals 2000. Let's take equation 2. That is, 7x minus 3y equals 2000. We now substitute x equals 2000, and y equals 4000 in the above equation. We get 7 into 2000 minus 3 into 4000 equals 2000. This implies that 14,000 minus 12,000 equals 2,000. This implies that 2,000 equals 2,000. Also, let's verify whether the ratios are correct or not. The ratio of monthly incomes of two persons equals 18,000 is 14,000. This is equal to 9 is 7. Also, the ratio of their expenditures equals 16,000 is 12,000. This is equal to 4 is 3. Therefore the values x equals 2,000 rupees and y equals 4,000 rupees satisfies the pair of linear equations. Let's see the remark. The method used in solving the example above is called the elimination method, because we eliminate one variable first to get a linear equation in one variable. In the example above, we eliminated y. We could also have eliminated x,